South Florida is about to be back in the World Movie Spotlight. Starting tomorrow and for the next few weeks, stars, directors, and all types of movie makers are going to be hitting South Florida for the 24th annual Fort Lauderdale International Film Festival.
Overall, we have about 120 films. We run from October 23rd through November 11th, and that ranges from college students and high school's first films to real accomplished filmmakers.
50 films will premiere at this year's festival, including this satirical comedy drama called Hungry Years, which explores the motivation behind doing good.
Giving us hope for Charlie's future.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Yes, there's Sundance and Cannes, but the Fort Lauderdale Film Festival has become a favorite for fans and filmmakers alike.
After 24 years, there's a lot of recognition about being in the Fort Lauderdale Film Festival.
Opening night will take place Friday night at the Miniachi Performing Arts Center with a red carpet kickoff and gala following the film. The remaining movies will be screened at Cinema Paradiso in downtown Fort Lauderdale. For more information on the entire film festival schedule, log on to our website at cbs4.com/entertainment. I'm Lisa Petrillo, CBS 4 News.